Yeah, okay guys. Testing tayo. The new Delong Top battery. Ang ganda ng ano guys, oh. Ang cell voltage. Ang ganda ng balance niya. Okay. Okay, we are charging around 19 amps dito sa ating clamp meter. It's around 20.16. Dito sa BMS ni Delong Top, it's 19.81. I am charging with my homebrew Y rectifier. Ayan. You can change the voltage from 48 volts up to I think 60 pala, up to 60 volts, and amps from 45 amps up to ano, around 10 amps, 5 amps up to 40 amps. This is a Huawei rectifier. Yan, so charge muna natin. Okay, after ma-full charge, then we will try to capacity test kung ilan ba talaga ang tama ba talaga ang rated na 200 ampere hour 10,240 watt hour. Okay, stay tuned guys. Alright, 97.06, nasa 194 AH na tayo. Malapit na 194 AH. Ayan. Okay, resting voltage 55.2. Menu, enter. So ayan, 55.3. Down tayo. Cell capacity is 200. 199.9 ampere hour. Okay, start na tayo mag-discharge. Okay, balikan natin mamaya pag naubos kung ilang ampere ba ang nakukuha niya. Alright. Morning guys. Good day everyone. Ngayon, buksan natin yung battery ni Delong Top. Okay, let's open. 4 na screw here. 4 screws on each side. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Ayan. Okay, moment of truth. Delong Top blade batteries. Yaps. BMS niya guys, oh. Ganda ng BMS. Yeah. BMS at saka ito yung blade batteries. Well built. Maganda din naman yung klase. Wala. Ito yung balance wire niya, oh. Okay. Ito yung communication port niya. Meron tayong CAN port, mayroong RS232 but communication cable. So far, walang bloated. Wala siyang bloating. Sulit talaga itong mga battery to guys. There you go, the Delong Top batteries. Blade batteries ang laman niya guys. Blade Life PO4.